Hello everyone, welcome to another review from SaaS Beacon. Today I'm looking at SearchIQ, which is a service offering custom search functionality to your WordPress, Shopify or any other non-WordPress sites. The SearchIQ service is very easy to set up and requires no coding on your part. It is also an excellent option to consider if you run a network of related websites, as this search can be set up to show cross-domain results. To top it all, the search is lightning fast. The near instant results improve user experience on your website and also helps with improving the performance of your WordPress or any other website, as the results are served by SearchIQ servers and not from your hosting provider. Let's dive into SearchIQ and see how it can be set up for your website. Here I am in my SearchIQ account, and the first thing I have to do is to set up the search on SaaS Beacon. Since it is on WordPress, I am going to use their WordPress plugin to set it up. In case you are not sure how to do this, they provide the instructions along with your own API key. Alright, I have installed the SearchIQ plugin on SaaS Beacon, and the first thing is to activate it. Once that is done, you have to configure the post types you want to allow indexation for. Posts and pages are selected by default, and you can also choose the other post types you want to index. Once done, start the synchronization process. As you can see, the indexation is almost instant. Now, this is a smaller site, but we deployed SearchIQ on another content site and it indexed over 3,500 pages inside of 10 minutes. That is pretty fast. Another thing to notice here is that the search results page on your website is not automatically set to show results served by SearchIQ. If you have a theme-based or any other search enabled on your website, you might want to disable that. The thumbnails seen in search results can take a few minutes to be generated, so you might need to wait for that. Looking into the options, you can set the search to open in a new tab and hide the SearchIQ branding as well. You can change the search query parameters if you wish, and also choose the header menu that you want to add the search button to. It may not fit properly on your current menu, and so you have settings here to move it around to achieve the desired placement. Next up, you have the configuration options for the results page. You can customize some aspects of its look and the default settings, along with changing the font size, colors and on-hover look. Similarly, you have settings to configure the look and behavior of mobile search results pages. Lastly, what you have is the option to configure facets. Faceted search results can help your website visitors dive deeper into a specific area of interest instead of just using the generic search results. This feature is in beta right now, but you can try it out and see if it is suitable to use for your website. Let's take a quick look at how the search works on a live website. You'd notice that the search icon is not perfectly aligned and I need to look into the settings and configure that. Besides that, I can do some quick searches and see the results page as well. Now, let's take a look at the dashboard of SearchIQ. Now that the plugin is set up, the rest of interface is enabled. Here you can see the domains that are enabled and the count of indexed documents. You can also see analytics, though there is very little to see here as of now. These will get populated in a few days, and SearchIQ displays the analytics for last one day. You can check the list of all documents that are indexed and configure the settings that can be set up via the plugin as well. From the advanced settings, you can delete any configured site and set the crawl rate for your website. That's all about how SearchIQ works in a nutshell. You now have a highly customizable and fast search setup on your website. This works well with content websites also. As I mentioned earlier, we set it up on a content site and it indexed over 3,500 articles within a span of 10 minutes. We set up the search page and replaced the slow theme-based search all within 15 minutes. This thing usually used to take a few hours. Now it can be done within minutes.